And here we have a not very bright, unremarkable, oxygen-sucking, space-hoarding dumb shit who doesn't comprehend historical parallels and analogies. I was speaking out against Nazi Germany, you stupid, insignificant fuckwit. Israel has nothing whatsoever to do with this. We are looking to parallels in history and using them to understand what's going on now, you fuck! You fucking dense clod! You fucking stupid piece of shit! Trump is authoritarianism. Hitler, authoritarianism. Netanyahu, authoritarianism. Do you get it? Or are you so fucking goddamn dense? You fucking idiots drive me nuts. You're so fucking stupid. Fuck off. Please go fuck off.